In this first video, we're going to interpret a two-way frequency table. Make sure that we understand what's going on here. So our example has owners of a major food chain are planning to add a vegetarian item to its menu. Customers are asked to choose one of two vegetarian items. The results are shown in the table. What trends do the results suggest? So let's just break down the table for a second, and then we'll get into what these results suggest. So we have a thing called a joint frequency. This is the joint of a column and a row. So what this will tell you is the frequency of males choosing a veggie burger, the joining of those two, that column and that row. This is another joint frequency, number of females that chose veggie pizza. Marginal frequencies are going to be at the margin. Margins are on the ends of, documents in Word or some program like that. So they're at the margin or the edge of a column or row. So these will give us the total frequency for each option or category. So we could see how many total female respondents were there. We had a total of 135. How many total male respondents were there? We had 90. Okay. So looking at the table, what trends do the results suggest? So the joint frequencies, the frequencies, what did males choose, what did females choose, so kind of inside there, suggest that male customers prefer veggie burgers over veggie pizzas. So joint frequencies show us that males prefer veggie burgers, and also that female customers prefer veggie pizzas. We can see we had females, 75 chose the pizza and only 60 chose the burger. So what do the marginal frequencies show us? So our marginal frequencies are going to be along the margins, so on the ends, at the bottom as well. So we can see that we had 115 people prefer pizza over 110 that preferred the veggie burger. So it's not a lot. It's only a slight preference for the pizza over the burger. So I'm just going to say people slightly preferred the veggie pizza over the veggie burger. I do apologize for this sloppy looking handwriting of mine. Also indicates, if we look at how many people were surveyed, if we look at the marginal frequencies on the end here, we only had 90 males and 135 females. So there were more females that were surveyed than males. So just something that just a trend we noticed. All right, and then just our follow-up question, what do the marginal frequencies tell you about the number of male and female respondents? So the marginal frequencies, this is just having us, we just talked about it, looking at the margins. These marginal frequencies in the bottom tell us how many people preferred veggie burgers and how many people preferred veggie pizzas, but the marginal frequencies on the right tell us how many males and how many females. So the marginal frequencies told us that there were 90 males and 135 90 male and 135 female customers were surveyed.